So today I got an unboxing video nobody asked for, but it's a nice day out and I figured somebody might want to see what you get and the quality of the product you get from Advance Auto. This is Advance Auto brand that came from there. It's around 40 bucks. It's a replacement for this one that has this kind of a brass rod to it, and it bent. So let's go ahead and just open it up. It's a direct replacement. You get it out. This is what comes in the box. They are pretty much identical. They ain't no change in them. The rod's pretty well the same length. But this one might be a tad bit shorter. So this rod is a tad bit longer, which makes sense. You know, this is what my truck calls for. This is what my truck had on it. It could have the wrong pricing on it, for all I know. But the quality looks identical. The length is a little bit different, but it looks like it makes up for it for the length of the shaft. I said shaft. And on the side note, it don't look to be made out of brass. So maybe this is for something takes I don't know, a V6 or something, or a V8. But this is for a Chevy C30. I'm happy with the product quality. I'm going to check fitment out. You see a video coming soon. Thanks for watching.